You can use the visa for a prior employer with a new approval notice. My name's Elizabeth Garvish. I'm the managing member of Garvish Immigration Law Group. I'm back with you on this Wednesday for a Wednesday Win, where I'm going to tell you about one win we've had in our immigration practice. We had one of our physician clients travel to India. She was transferring her H-1B visa to one of our hospital clients from her old employer. Unfortunately, when she left to go to India, there were many delays. It was going to be impossible to visit the consulate, get the appointment. Luckily, she had a little bit of time left on her H-1B visa. So she had a couple months left out of her 3-year period with her prior employer. So in her passport, she had a visa valid until October of 2022. We were able to do the portability petition for the H-1B, get that approved. We FedExed the approval notice, so she had that in her hand, a confirmation offer letter from the employer, and a copy of the labor condition application. She was able to enter the US with her prior employer's visa and show her new H-1B approval notice. They would issue the I-94, the entry document, for a validity period for that new approval. That really worked well for my client when there wasn't a lot of appointments at the embassy. Now, if she does travel again, she will have to visit the embassy. She does need to get a new visa and her passport. Some people may not know that you can use the visa for a prior employer with a new approval notice. Sometimes that really saves the day. Another point, we should do some advocacy for consular processing of visas, because we always have to leave the country to get a new visa. And why do we have to do that? Back in the day, we were able to do automatic revalidation. You would send your passport to the Department of State. They would do a new visa for you so you could travel freely internationally. There were security concerns or something after 9/11, I don't know. At this point, it makes not a lot of sense to not have this function. If this is an issue that affects you, bring it up to the decision makers out there. If something is not going right in your immigration process as an employer, you're not able to get the workers because the visa process is too cumbersome, talk to your senators, talk to your representatives, because that's where the change starts. When powerful players, powerful employers, powerful people start to bring these things up. For now, we're able to use our old visa for our new H-1B, which is enough of a Wednesday win for us. Have a great one. Bye.